Hey y'all, it's me. I'm back again for another video to check up on the baby birds. Well, y'all be saying, leave the birds in the comment. Do not be saying leave the baby birds alone. Because I'm giving you a first person tour of the nest. Yeah, you see the babies? Yeah. Beware. They're adorable and a convicted felon. You like my joke? Yeah, they're not convicted. They're beautiful. Act like a mama bird. Look at the birds. Look at the birds. Y'all should be nice to birds because they're adorable. Like, yeah, I'm gonna show you some more footage of them. Okay, guys, have fun. Get me to 1,000,000 subs on YouTube. First link in description. Bye. Oh, look at the mom. The mom. Mama bird. Coming for incoming. Yes. Precious. Okay, I'm gonna leave y'all here for a little bit. Like, put you right here. And hold up. Come on, turn your mom. The mom. Mom! Got it. That's a cowbird. She's so close. Change position. Yeah, mom bird is the most protective bird in the bird group. She's over here Got her. Oh, doves. Lit. Boots on the dance floor. Birds on the... The mom's gone. Oh, look at that bird. Incoming! Bird at 12. Bird on our 12. Lost bird. Bird on our 6. Coming in hot. Oh, dang. Right above us. Get out in the open. Get out in the open. Got her. And our 6, on our 6, on our 6. Circling back. Bye, y'all. Have fun. I'm just going to post it on YouTube. Checking up on the baby birds, part 6, or part 2. Oh. Sorry. Bye.